What's next for your business? If you're ready to start or go all in on a digital transformation, take a look at Microsoft's new Dynamics 365. It's the only cloud-based solution that offers what you need for CRM and ERP all in one place. Whether you're 10 employees strong or 10,000 times that many. Sales, customer service, operations, financials, field service, project service automation, even marketing. And the world of things you can do with Dynamics 365 is growing day by day. Not only does Dynamics 365 seamlessly integrate with the tools you already use, like Outlook and Excel, it brings the power of digital intelligence to every decision you make, thanks to Cortana Intelligence, Power BI, and Azure Machine Learning. Predict clients' needs, streamline operations, cut costs, increase efficiency. Dynamics 365 can help you do whatever's best for your business. And what makes Dynamics 365 even more helpful is you only pay for what you need. Choose the applications you need now and build on them as you grow. It's time to make your business more productive, more intelligent, more adaptable, and reimagine what's next with the new Dynamics 365. Try it free.